Hey guys, Jim Gray here. All right, here's a quick update. Today's Sunday, and today's Sunday, January 7th, 2018. All right, it's been a really good weekend for a lot of things on here. But look, Bitcoin is down right now. At this moment, it's at 16,500 approximately. Let's see where Ripple's at. Ripple's up 5%, and it's $3.32 a coin. Ethereum still at one. It's actually up 13.8%. Pretty cool. And Bitcoin Cash, that's down 0.44%. It's at 2,769. So let's see. IOTA, this is one I've been hearing a lot about. That's at $4.17. It's up 4.87 cents. And let's get to the two that I've been watching the most because I've invested a lot in these. So, well, I have a lot of coins, but it didn't cost me a lot to invest in them, which was really cool. But Dogecoin's actually up 14% right now. It's been slowly going up, and I love it. It's actually taking a little dip. It was a little bit higher, but right now it's at 14.32%, which is really cool. And the other one that I really like is Electroneum. So I have thousands of this and of these, and it's really growing fast. So it actually peaked out this weekend around 22 cents, but right now it's hanging out around 18, 19, and 20 cents. So it's actually down a little teeny bit, 0.94. But this weekend was pretty good. It actually went from like 8, 9, 10 cents up to 20, as high as 23 cents. So it's pretty cool. It's interesting. It had really good news, and they're expecting more news. So maybe it'll start. We don't want it to go up too fast. A lot of people say, but this is nice. Going from like down here at about, what is that? 2, 3. Oh, it was actually 2 cents at one time, but around December 14th, December 13th, or whatever. My birthday is December 14th, but around the 13th is when they launched. It came out at around 13 to 14 cents, and then it kind of went down and kind of like went sideways for a while, and then all of a sudden it went up, and it's looking good. So hopefully you guys got some, or able to get some, and it's not too late to get any. I mean, I don't know what's going to happen right now, but hopefully it's going to keep going back up and not go way back down again. But keep your eye on it, guys. All right. One more thing. I guess I've been investing in EXP Asset, so people have been watching how that's been going for me. Let's take a look. All right. Over the weekend, I got some binary again, so I have that waiting in my account. But I also withdrew and broke even, so now I'm in profit right now by $29, and I still have a long time to go on my loans, so on my binary plans. So let's see what that looks like. How many more days do I have left? So I have 68 days to go and 60 days on this one. So I'm only halfway through, and 68 days on this one. So now everything's all profit now. So what I can do is either start compounding as I make money here, put it back over here into the binary plan, keep buying back in, and let it grow, and just it'll be with money that it'll be without. I will have made my money back, so all this will be profit, and I won't have any money invested anymore out of my pocket in this. So if anything happens, it's not like I lost anything. You know what I mean? So that's probably what I'm going to do. Let it compound for a little while and see what happens, and see if I can start making it, making this binary plan grow. So I think that's what I'm going to do. All right, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please give me some likes. Smash the like button. Also, feel free to share and leave comments below. All right, guys. Thanks. Bye.